Hey guys, in today's video we'll learn what is an end screen and why does it help to add an end screen to your videos, right? So typically an end screen is something which appears in the last of a video, and if you see over here, this is an end screen. Now look at the elements which are included. There is a subscribe button, there is another video from the channel, there is a playlist from the channel which is related to this topic of the video. Now what basically an end screen does, it basically adds a layer at the end of the video, and it is basically asking the viewer to watch another video from the channel or watch the playlist which is related to the same topic of the video, and asking them to subscribe to a channel. So the overall intention of an end screen is to make sure that the viewer is more engaged on your channel, to give you more watch hours and more views to other videos, right? This will help you gain more genuine subscribers to your channel. So it's very essential you add an end screen to your channel and include it with every video which you create. Now let us now create an end screen which will help you to create one and then just add it for every video you do. So I'll open Canva, and this is again a free version. It's not a paid version which we'll be using, and I will just log in using my free Gmail account. So this is not a paid version, and we'll create one end screen. I am just typing YouTube end screen, right? So now you can see there are lots of templates, and again, as earlier, there are some which are required to which require you to upgrade to Canva Pro, but you will avoid this. If you want, you can upgrade it to Canva Pro, but there are some free versions where you can see the templates. Thanks for watching. You can add a new video or a recommended video, and you can add your brand logo over here, right? So you can see there are many templates, right? So you can edit this as you want, as per your liking. And I will create one right now for my channel, since I have not included any end screen till now for my videos. So I'll just go through and create one end screen for YouTube Saave channel and add it to my videos. I'll use this because it has the red theme also. Anyways, you can change the color. That's not an issue. Quickly loads files. Yeah. I'm just tweaking the text over here, changing the font size. So now this is my end screen done, and I'm just exporting it. Clicking on download, right? Now this is done. Now whenever you want to add this video, you whenever you upload a new video, you get this option to add an end screen. So I will just, for example, now upload a video, maybe an existing one, and take you through the place where this will appear. Now you can just go to video elements page, and you can see add an end screen, and you can just go and click on add, and you can add the playlist or videos, whatever you want, by adding elements from over here. You can customize it as per your layout of the end screen. So just for example, since my two of the video or playlist appear over here, I will just select this, I'll select the subscribe button. From over here I will just add another element over here. If I want a playlist, I will just add a playlist. So you can see I have got it over, I am placing it over here, and you can move this around, right, as per your template guidelines, and so that it aligns and you can just play it well with the video. So that's it. That's how you can end an end screen, and how it helps to keep your viewers engaged and gain more subscribers for your channel. Thank you. If you are liking this video, do like and subscribe to the channel, and do drop in any queries you have regarding any of the YouTube journey. Thanks for watching.